Think your smartphone camera has reached its limit? Think again. In 2025, smartphone camera lenses have gone pro, letting you shoot ultra macro, fisheye, wide angle, and even microscope level details, all from your pocket. Let's reveal the top smartphone camera lenses of 2025 that turn your mobile shots into masterpieces. Shiftcam LensUltra 10x Traditional Macro Lens. If macro photography is your thing, the Shiftcam LensUltra 10x is the gold standard. With 10x magnification, a close-up 10 to 15 millimeter focus distance, and 25x detail capture, it allows you to capture tiny subjects like insects, jewelry, or textures with stunning clarity and sharp depth of field. The build quality is exceptional, made from premium optical glass and metal, giving it a true pro feel. If you love exploring the world up close, this lens belongs in your kit. Check the description for the latest price and availability on the Shiftcam LensUltra. KEYWING 198 degrees fisheye phone lens. Kit want to go bold and creative? The KEYWING 198-degree fisheye lens gives you that immersive, warped bubble effect, perfect for wide, surreal shots or skate park edits. It clips on easily to iPhones and most Android devices, including older models like iPhone 7 up to the latest iPhone 13 Pro Max. Lightweight and durable, this is a fun add-on for creators who love dramatic visuals and vlogging angles that pop. Tap the link in the description for deals on the KEYWING fisheye kit. APEXEL 3-in-1 phone microscope lens. Kit take your phone beyond macro and into microscope territory. The APEXEL 3-in-1 kit offers 100x, 150x, and 200x nano zoom magnification, complete with LED lighting and UV filters. It's designed for science lovers, educators, and hobbyists who want a microscope that fits in your pocket. Compatible with both Android and iPhone, this tiny powerhouse lets you examine skin cells, fabric fibers, and tiny components in amazing detail. Click below to explore the APEXEL microscope lens bundle. MIAO Lab 5-in-1 smartphone lens kit. If you're after all-in-one versatility, MIAO Lab's 5-in-1 kit covers it all. A 0.63x wide-angle lens, 15x macro, 190 degrees fisheye, CPL filter, and a 2x telephoto lens, all neatly packed in a portable case. It's great for photography beginners, social media content creators, and even travelers who want DSLR-like options without the bulk. Compatible with most smartphones, this is a budget-friendly way to unlock creative shooting angles. See the description for full details and live pricing on the MIAO Lab kit. Another strong budget contender, the LEKNES kit includes a 120-degree wide-angle, 15x macro, and a 198-degree fisheye lens. It uses a universal clip-on system, which makes it super simple to attach to nearly any smartphone. Ideal for casual creators or anyone upgrading their selfies, nature shots, or home videos, this compact lens trio gives you solid optical performance without breaking the bank. Check the link below for reviews and pricing on the LEKNES lens kit. Smartphone cameras are powerful, but with the right lens, they become unstoppable. Whether you're diving into macro worlds, capturing ultra-wide shots, or exploring micro details, these lens kits add a creative edge to every frame. All product links are down in the description. Go ahead, explore, and find the one that fits your style. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Which lens are you excited to try first?